What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to use GIFs in Discord. So the best way to do it is to use the /GIF command as I'm using here, and then you can type in your search query, so the approval nod, like this one. You just click it, and the GIF appears. Or you can click GIF here and then search your GIF like that, approve nod like this, and then click it like that. But I do recommend using the GIF command because it's just easier. So if you do /GIF and then you do query, yeah, you can just see a few more options that way. But up to you. There's two ways of how to do it. Actually, there's more options from this one. So I stand corrected. This one down here that's built in shows you more options. So up to you. But that's two ways of how to use GIFs in Discord. Hopefully you found this quick video helpful. If you did, drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.